Hi there. Our ears naturally produce earwax to prevent debris, but excess earwax can have an impact. As earwax hardens, it becomes harder to remove and it can cause severe health problems. The Bebird N3 Pro brings a fresh design to the most important self-care you do most often and makes it easier than ever. The newly designed 10 million pixels HD camera improves clarity and enhances the accuracy of eliminating every single buildup. Integrated with robotic arm technology, the Bebird redefines ear cleaning in an innovative way. Equipped with 3 different sizes, you can adjust the degree of the tweezer opening to fit the size of your ear canal. With an upgrade of 10 million pixels and 3.7 mm lens length, the Bebird N3 Pro offers more precise cleaning and greater accuracy in earwax removal. View the smallest details in your ear canal in real time with the high-definition camera and simplify your ear care. Clean your ears precisely in all directions with 360 degrees angle detection. The 6-axis smart gyroscope consists of an accurate measurement that will detect the slightest movement of the cleaning tweezer. Enjoy the best ear cleaning experience while being comfortable with the Bebird N3 Pro. Say for children 3 years old and up, they can watch the ear cleaning process while you clean their ears. The Bebird N3 Pro provides a similar temperature as the human body to avoid damage or burn injuries to your ear canal. The micro lens cover is equipped with a special lens that enlarges the target area. Simply put the tweezers on the lens cover, and you can enlarge the area you want to see with even more clarity. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 300 mAh capacity, the Bebird N3 Pro is convenient, portable, and hassle-free. A full charge within 1 hour can be used for 1 month's duration. Watch while you clean and monitor the battery life of your Bebird via the app. The app supports both Android and iOS operating systems with multiple languages available. Equipped with a super-fast Wi-Fi chip, the Bebird N3 Pro has a very smooth transmission. It provides the highest speed for the app to function the camera display, making it easy and smooth to set up and auto-connect the product to your phone.